The factory that manufactures BMW engines has just entered the market, and in this video, I'm going to show you which models are confirmed in Brazil and also their prices. And this is the only video you need to watch to learn a little more about Voge, summarizing the technical specifications, price range, and much more. I'm Amanda Pagliari. This is the most charming motorcycle channel in Brazil, and it also brings you the best new releases. So go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because this brand deserves it. If you don't know the Chinese brand Voge, pay close attention. They are a premium brand from the giant Lonsim. Lonsim manufactures the engines for the BMW F750, F850, F900 GS, and the C400 scooters come off their production line. They arrived in Brazil with the concept fair and beyond quality, which means far beyond quality. This means that the motorcycles use global brand components that traditional brands charge a fortune to give you. Like what? Kayaba suspension, Brembo brakes, Nissan, Bosch electronics, connectivity, and much more. And here in Brazil, they will be assembled in Manaus at the Dafra factory, and they are marketed and imported by an Argentine group.
From the union of these two groups, Lonsim and Vacas Caduso, Voge Brazil emerged. With a long-term vision and big ambitions, it's in the Brazilian market.
And let's start with the entry-level scooter, the premium SR3 scooter. This scooter here has 250cc, look at that. The finish here really surprised me. You can see the design, how well the parts fit together, it's really nice. Another interesting thing is right here, look, a platform for the passenger. It brings more safety, especially for women who wear sandals and all that. So here you have a more premium scooter to help you stand out. It comes with a single-cylinder 244cc engine, liquid cooling, and 25 horsepower. The safety package includes disc brakes with dual-channel ABS and traction control. It has an adjustable windshield. One interesting thing is that it comes with heated grips and also a heated seat. You don't usually see that in 250cc scooters. Another interesting thing is that it comes with cameras, so you can record videos. This is very common in China, but it's unprecedented here. So you're already recording directly onto the card and then it overlays the images. Very cool. You can access the footage on the app and it records in full HD, right? 1080. The panel is fully digital and in color, a 7-inch TFT screen with connectivity to your phone. And Vogue promises a fuel consumption of 28 kilometers per liter. And the price? Well, it's in the range of 35 to 39,000 Rs. What did you think? Leave a comment below. Now we've reached the Maxi scooter SR4. It brings the same technology as its smaller sister, the SR3, but here there's even more technology. You have radar and you also have heated grips and seat. Guys, I love this because for those who really travel, especially in cold regions, this makes a big difference in comfort and also safety. You can ride much better. And well, it has the exact same engine as the BMW C400 scooter, yes, because it's actually made by them, so it's the same base. A single-cylinder engine with 349.8 cubic centimeters, a maximum output of 34 horsepower, and over 3 kilogram-meters of torque. It has an electrically adjustable windshield, cornering lights, brakes with Rotajuan radial calipers, KYB suspension, and a spacious storage compartment. The dashboard is a 7-inch color TFT with connectivity to your cell phone and also to the app. And according to Voge, it can reach up to 28 kilometers per liter. And the SR4 Max is priced between 50 and 54,000 Rs. So what did you think? Comment below. This is the DS525 DS525X, a sport touring model from Voge. It's not exactly a big trail. It comes with spoked wheels, right? Tubeless tires, that's true. But we have a smaller front wheel, the 19-inch rim. And when you look at it, you really notice the premium finish. I'm really impressed to see it because it's one thing to look at photos, right? But it's another thing to see it in person. You can see how the parts fit together, the paint here, the seat. Look, I'm really excited to ride these machines. And the cool thing is that you have a more accessible motorcycle here. According to Vogue, it has a friendly seat height. I'm going to get on it so you can see. I'm 5'7" tall, and I can put both feet on the ground here, even with the center stand. So I think it's a more accessible motorcycle for shorter men and women. We have a 16.5-liter tank. Its focus is to let you travel more comfortably. And about the engine, it's a Honda-based engine from the 500 series, which you already know. However, Voge reverse engineered it, increased the displacement, and also increased the power. So we have a 2-cylinder engine with 494 cubic centimeters, delivering 47.6 horsepower at maximum and over 4 kilogram-meters of torque. And the cool thing is that you have adjustable Kayaba suspension. Inverted, right? Golden fork, very beautiful. Bosch ABS. You can turn it off on the rear wheel. A fully digital color dashboard with connectivity. And an interesting thing is that besides the outlets, you have illuminated switches. And in the back, there's a camera so you can record your trip. This is very common in China, and Brazil is seeing it for the first time on Vogue motorcycles. It comes here with a manually adjustable windshield, and the accessories you're seeing already come standard. Well, what's the price range? Here, Vogue set it between 45,000 and 49,000 Rs. So, what do you think about this price range? Let's see, right? At the launch, there will be a video of them riding soon. Yes, an official ride, right? A test ride by invitation from the brand. So go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to the channel, because as soon as that video comes out, you'll be the first to know. And hey, do you like this bike? Did you like it? Comment below. And lastly, we've reached the real deal adventure bike, and what can I say? In this black color, it's gorgeous. I loved it. And well, to be clear with you, it's a BMW F900 GS, but it offers much more technology for a lower price. I'll tell you the price range in a moment. But really, guys, we have a real deal adventure bike here. The rim here is 21 inches in the front, 18 in the rear, spoked wheels, tubeless tires. The engine is the same twin-cylinder as the BMW F900 GS with 895 cubic centimeters, delivering a maximum power of 95 horsepower and 9.5 kgfm of torque. And the highlights here on the Vogue are genuine Brembo brakes, long travel Kayaba suspension, fully adjustable. It has ABS, smart ABS, cornering ABS, riding modes, a steering damper, auxiliary lights, a bi-directional quick shifter, radar, an adjustable windscreen here that you can adjust manually, and outlets here so you can recharge your equipment. And something interesting, right, besides the heated grips and seat here, is that it comes with a camera. Actually, more than one, right? You can record with them. It saves the footage to a card that stays here on the motorcycle, and you can access the images through the Voge app. And then, of course, as it keeps recording, it overwrites the footage. This is really interesting because it records in 1080. And besides security, you can also see it on the dashboard, and you can also share your trips. And of course, it comes to compete directly with the BMW F900 GS, right? And also the Tiger 900. How do you think the market will respond? And well, what about the price, guys? Between 75,000 and 79,000 Rs. So what's your guess? Write it down below. I want to know your opinion. Which Vogue model caught your eye compared to other models from the brand? They are evaluating, watching the market, but they've already come in with premium products, which I'm sure will please the Brazilian public here. One cool thing is that they have a 5-year warranty. That's right. So if you are unsure and worried about after-sales service, whether the motorcycle is good or not, what I can tell you is this motorcycle, this premium brand from Longxi, is already a success in Europe and in other countries where the markets are more mature and demanding than the Brazilian one. So it already does well. Vogue Longxi is already a success in Europe and in other countries where the markets are more mature and demanding than the Brazilian one. So it already does well. And the other point is that it comes with a 5-year warranty. That's a really good thing. It's already a success in Argentina, right? In fact, it's the Argentine group that's selling it here. But what I can tell you is that I'm very excited and hopeful to test the models. There will be videos, not just test videos. Also reviews, motor play with the positive and negative points, fuel consumption, and insurance cost. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss these videos when they're released. Up here, I left a really comprehensive video showing the technical specifications in detail, not just for these models, but also for other models from the brand. And down here, I left a really cool video for you. Go ahead and share it with your friends. Another motorcycle brand is coming to Brazil. Hey, share it, okay? The more brands, the better. See you next time. Another kiss.